In the vast Egyptian desert where life seems to have evaporated, a young scribe named Amun sets out on a remarkable journey. Amun enters the imposing royal palace, his heart pounding with both trepidation and excitement. The ornate doors of the royal menagerie swing open before Amun, revealing a realm filled with untamed beauty and extraordinary creatures. Amidst the exotic beasts, Amun diligently fulfills his duty as a scribe, carefully documenting the details of the royal menagerie. Curiosity leads Amun beyond the confines of his assigned path, drawing him towards an unknown and secret discovery. In the dimly lit underground chamber, Amun's heart races with a combination of exhilaration and trepidation. Amun hesitates for a moment, then releases the latch of the first cage, setting free a creature that should never have been confined. Chaos engulfs the once tranquil palace gardens as the frantic guards desperately attempt to contain the unleashed creatures. Amun bravely takes on the role of a guide, herding the majestic creatures through the unforgiving desert towards a distant oasis. Amun's resolve remains unyielding, even as exhaustion threatens to claim him amidst the relentless journey through the scorching desert. Amun's heart fills with wonder and awe as the creatures shed their disguises, revealing themselves as magical beings forever indebted to his courage and compassion.